Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you are going to read the story, or track and follow along, whichever one is best for you. And then you're going to highlight the R-controlled vowels and record. Remember, record is a science word. It means to write. So it says, it is not hard to play a sport. The girl had a new skirt on today. The bird flew over the church. It is dark out when I see the stars. I see her eat the corn with a fork. The dog has curly fur. Wash your hands or you might share germs. So now you need to listen to this again and highlight all the words that have your R-controlled vowels. Remember, AR says R, OR says OR, ER, UR, and IR all say sorry, kind of similar. They all say Go ahead and make sure you have one word for each line. You highlight them and write them on the line. They should be spelled correctly. Check your answers in the folder that says answer key and then turn it into the bin.